If you want to customize Quick Settings panel on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to Quick Settings over here, and then here at the top we have this pen icon. We want to tap on it. Now as you can see we have the option to remove anything from this list. We also have these thicker lines which allow you to adjust the size of selected widget. I usually call them widgets or controls. And of course, in some cases, you might have more resizing options than in other cases. Like, for example, in the case of this media player, we can actually make it look like this. We can make it much smaller. But besides that, we also have the option to resize these buttons over here. And in some cases, we cannot actually do anything. What you can also do is you can switch positions of these different things. So, for example, if I want to, I can move this media player to be at the very top of the Quick Settings panel, just like that. You just have to press and hold your finger and then drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. And there we go. This is how it looks like. Of course, besides that, we have this expandable area, and this expandable area can be adjusted as well. You can make it much bigger or smaller if you decide to, of course, make some adjustments here and there. And of course, we also have this edit button, which allows you to decide what should be in this expandable area. So you can remove stuff, you can change their positions, and so on and so forth. You can easily switch around. There we go, just like you can do that in the main Quick Settings menu. And of course, you can add more stuff that is not added yet. Here at the bottom, we have add a control, so we can use that. And in order to add something from this list, you can either tap on that shortcut, and there we go, it is added straight away to the Quick Settings panel, just like that. Or what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on that shortcut, on that control, and then you can drag it around and you can place it immediately at the desired place. You can also, of course, drag it into the expandable area over here, so then it is going to be added here in this place. Of course, once you are done with the customization, we can tap on done. But before I finish, I can also recommend you checking out the panel settings, where you can, for example, combine Quick Settings with the notifications tray. So this is more for those who prefer the older style of One UI, where you could swipe down on the notifications and then you had a couple of options from the Quick Settings panel at the top, and then you had to swipe down again to open the proper Quick Settings panel. So if you still prefer that, you can easily change that. Besides that, if you choose the together, if you decide to combine both the Quick Settings panel and the notification tray, then you can also decide if the device control and media output buttons should be visible in the notification part, or also you can choose the brightness control if it should be available over there. And of course, if you decide to reset the Quick Settings panel, if you want to restore the default layout and default options, then here we have Reset Quick Panel Layout. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.